All right, today I'm going to show you another strategy for subtracting mixed numbers. This time we are going to use a number line method. So I have 3 1/4 minus 1 3/4, and I'm going to start off by drawing a number line here. So I have my number line right here, and I know that my number line needs to start at 1 and go to 4 because 3 1/4 is greater than 3. So 1, 2, 3, 4. And I try to make them about as even as I can. So this is 1, 2, 3, and 4. Next, I know that because I'm dealing with fourths, I need to separate each of these spaces into 4 parts. So I'm going to draw 3 lines, 1, 2, 3. So you can see I've got 1/4 right here, 2/4, 3/4, and if I have this last piece right here, that's going to be 4/4 right here, which is equal to a whole. And I'm going to do that for all of my pieces. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So now I'm going to put dots on the 2 numbers that I have. So I'm going to start off with 3. I've got 3 right here, and 1/4. This is the one that I'm going to start with. 3 1/4, and I need to make it to down here 1 1/4, 2/4, 3/4 right here. So you'll notice that even though I marked this space with the fraction, this actually is going to go along this dot right here. So I've got 1 3/4 right here. So now all I need to do is look at the space in between both of them. So actually, let's do purple. So I'm going to look right here and I'm going to say, oh, right there, that's 1/4. That distance between there is 1/4. Then I can jump a hole because I've got a hole right here. This right here is 1 hole. Then I'm going to look, oh, I can jump another 4th in order to reach my 1/4. That's another 1/4 right there. Now all I need to do is add the numbers in purple all together. So I'm going to have 1 whole plus 1/4 plus 1/4. And I moved the whole over to the front just because I like being able to add like units. Like units means units that are the same. So I moved my 1/4 right there and my 1/4 right there. It doesn't matter which order you add things in. 3 plus 7 is the same as 7 plus 3. The same when we're adding fractions. So I'm going to look at my fourths, and I know 1/4 plus 1/4 is equal to 2/4. And 1 plus 2/4 is equal to 1 2/4. So my answer here is 1 2/4.